Hello and good day. Welcome to our YouTube channel Empowerment. Today's video will be all about angel number 3434, meaning and symbolism. 10 topics on today's video will be as follows. What's the meaning of angel number 3434? What's the symbolism of 3434? What is the spiritual significance? What does the 3434 mean for love? What does 3434 mean for twin flames? What does 3434 for manifestation? How does angel number 3434 affect finances? What does 3434 mean for former relationships? How does 3434 guide your work life? What are the strengths of angel number 3434? What are the weaknesses of angel number 3434? What's the meaning of angel number 3434? Angel number 3434 is a powerful sign from the universe encouraging you to build strong foundations while staying creative and adaptable. It combines the grounded, disciplined energy of 4 with the optimistic, expressive nature of 3, repeating each to amplify their influence. This number suggests your angels are guiding you toward success through consistent effort and inspired thinking. It reminds you to remain focused on your goals, trust your intuition, and stay open to divine guidance. Balance between logic and creativity is key, as this number highlights the importance of both structure and imaginative energy on your life path. What's the symbolism of angel number 3434? Symbolically, angel number 3434 represents stability through creativity and the power of positive expression rooted in a strong personal foundation. The number 3 symbolizes joy, communication, and inspiration, while the 4 embodies order, patience, and building lasting results. Together, they signify a harmonious blend of work and play, and suggest that success comes from balancing responsibility with innovation. Seeing 3434 is a reminder that your spiritual team is supporting your efforts and urging you to stay true to your path. This number often appears when you're being called to align your ambitions with a more expressive, purpose-driven lifestyle. What is the angel number 3434's spiritual significance? Spiritually, angel number 3434 encourages you to find divine alignment by combining hard work with faith and self-expression. It calls you to strengthen your spiritual foundation through consistent inner practices, such as meditation, journaling, or prayer. The presence of 4 asks for discipline in your spiritual journey, while 3 reminds you to trust in divine timing and express your truth. This number also signals that your angels are nearby, offering support and encouragement. Embrace spiritual growth through both action and reflection, and know that your efforts to align with higher guidance are being blessed. What does the angel number 3434 mean for love? In love, angel number 3434 emphasizes building a relationship rooted in stability, communication, and mutual growth. It urges you to nurture love through trust, openness, and consistent effort. The number 3 encourages emotional expression and joy, while 4 brings loyalty, commitment, and the work necessary to maintain a lasting connection. If you're in a relationship, this number suggests the time is ripe to deepen bonds through honest conversations and shared goals. If you're single, it advises preparing yourself emotionally and spiritually for a mature, grounded partnership. Love under this number thrives when both partners value trust and open-hearted communication. What does angel number 3434 mean for twin flames? For twin flames, angel number 3434 represents a period of spiritual alignment and practical grounding. It highlights the importance of building a stable emotional and spiritual base for the twin flame relationship to flourish. The 3s call for authentic communication and emotional honesty, while the 4s emphasize commitment and patience. This number may appear during moments when the connection requires deeper trust and structure to grow. Twin flames influenced by 3434 are encouraged to work on individual healing and mutual understanding. It signals divine support as both partners align not only spiritually, but also in building a strong future together. What does angel number 3434 for manifestation? Angel number 3434 supports manifestation by reminding you to ground your creative desires with consistent action and a clear plan. The number 3 encourages dreaming big, visualizing goals, and embracing positive energy, while the 4 reminds you to implement those dreams through persistence and order. This combination signifies that your manifestations are within reach, but they require both inspired vision and practical steps. Your angels are guiding you to stay optimistic while building a strong, achievable foundation for your desires. With faith, structure, and emotional clarity, 3434 assures that the universe is responding to your aligned and intentional efforts. How does angel number 3434 affect finances? Angel number 3434 brings a message of financial stability through a mix of creativity and disciplined effort. It encourages you to explore innovative income streams, thanks to the influence of 3, while maintaining a practical approach to budgeting, planning, and saving, guided by the 4. This number suggests a time to balance enjoyment of life with financial responsibility. If you're facing money concerns, 3434 advises developing a structured plan while remaining open to new opportunities. It also indicates that financial improvement is possible when you combine consistent hard work with a positive, solutions-oriented mindset. Your angels support your abundance journey. What does angel number 3434 mean for former relationships? Angel number 3434 encourages reflection and healing when it comes to past relationships. It suggests learning from your emotional history and creating emotional closure through inner work and honest self-expression. The 3 reminds you to release regrets and communicate your feelings, whether with yourself or the other person, while the 4 encourages grounding and moving forward with emotional maturity. This number highlights the importance of rebuilding your self-worth and preparing for more stable future connections. Whether reconciliation or release is the path, 3434 assures you that lessons from the past are serving your emotional and spiritual growth. How does angel number 3434 guide your work life? In your career, angel number 3434 signals success through creativity, structure, and persistence. It encourages you to pursue work that allows self-expression, 3, while also building stability and long-term value, 4. This number may appear when you're being called to take on leadership roles or innovate within your current position. It's a sign to develop skills, trust your abilities, and stay disciplined in your professional pursuit. The blend of 3 and 4 also supports teamwork, especially when your ideas contribute to building something sustainable. Angel number 3434 is a reminder to balance passion with practicality in your work life. What are the strengths of angel number 3434? Angel number 3434 brings strengths such as resilience, creativity, emotional intelligence, and the ability to turn vision into reality. Those influenced by this number often excel at combining inspiration with action and are deeply committed to building stable, long-lasting results. They are strong communicators, capable of motivating others and staying grounded under pressure. With the support of 4's discipline and 3's charm, people aligned with 3434 are adaptable, optimistic, and reliable. These individuals thrive when given the freedom to innovate within structured environments. Their blend of heart and hard work makes them powerful co-creators in both personal and professional realms.